You search for how to buy shares of Salesforce Inc. Salesforce is a global cloud software company focused on customer relationship management and enterprise cloud services. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker CRM, and this video is an educational walkthrough, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a regulated broker, and we use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker CRM to find Salesforce Inc. Select the matching NASDAQ listing to open the correct stock page. On the stock page, review the basic company profile and the price chart to confirm this is Salesforce Inc. Make sure the exchange shows NASDAQ and the ticker CRM so you are looking at the right asset. Tap Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review the order details and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until the next session, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Once the trade is executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For the example link and more resources, check the description below.